Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to wrap text in Excel 2024-2025. Open the Excel file and you will be able to see the current state of the text. After that, click on the top corner to select the entire sheet. Now from the Home menu, in the Alignment group, click on Wrap Text. You can see the change in the text. Here you can adjust the columns for a better visualization of the content. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.